Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, I am incredibly excited to introduce you to the revolutionary EMSzero Nova EMS 6500W 200Hz Neo Hi-emt muscle sculpt machine. This cutting-edge technology is a game-changer when it comes to body contouring and muscle training. The EMSzero Nova utilizes EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, technology to stimulate muscle contraction and relaxation, providing an incredibly effective training effect that is 7 times more powerful than a traditional gym workout. The machine generates a strong magnetic field through a high-intensity Tesla coil, leading to continuous muscle expansion and contraction, muscle remodeling, and the production of new collagen chains and muscle fibers. The remarkable Hi-emt, high-intensity electromagnetic, technology induces approximately 20,000 forced muscle contractions per session, leading to muscle enlargement and increased muscle density and volume. At the same time, it triggers fat decomposition, breaking down fatty acids and reducing fat deposits in the body. One of the most impressive features of the EMSzero Nova is its 15 Tesla high-intensity magnetic wave technology, which covers large skeletal muscles and remodels their inner structure. This machine is unparalleled in its ability to deliver exceptional results on the body, offering non-invasive, pain-free treatments with zero consumables and no downtime. With just 30 minutes of treatment, you can achieve the equivalent of 20,000 muscle exercises, resulting in a 60% increase in muscle and a 50% reduction in fat after 2 to 4 courses. The EMSzero Nova targets 5 different body parts, including the abdomen, arms, buttocks, hips, and thighs, providing progressive step training to improve your overall physique. Whether you are looking to build muscle, shape your body, tone your abdomen, or reduce cellulite, the EMSzero Nova can help you achieve your goals. With its easy operation, portable design, and 2-year warranty plus lifetime maintenance, this machine offers unmatched value for its incredible results. This state-of-the-art technology is the latest in body contouring and muscle training, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to transform their physique. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in your health and fitness. Click the link in the description to learn more about the EMSzero Nova EMS 6500W 200Hz Neo Hi-emt muscle sculpt machine and take the first step towards a stronger, more sculpted you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting content.